Okay, today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have a garlic parm spaghetti. So the first thing we're going to do is cook some spaghetti in the good old-fashioned salted water that's been made salty as the sea, and cook it for 1 minute less than the package directions. I believe this would come out to be about 9 minutes. Now, if you want, make sure you save some of that salty, starchy water for what we're gonna do next, and pretty much next, everything is coming together in a great big bowl, so this is a really quick recipe. The longest thing, cooking the damn pasta. Okay, in a large metal bowl, we add the drained pasta. And then you want to add about 4 tablespoons of butter. And then after that, you want to add a cup and a half of Parmesan cheese. I just threw a block of Parmesan cheese into my food processor. This is pretty much what you end up with. And, or you can use Parmigiano Reggiano, whichever you want. And then a nice clove of minced garlic. And again, you kind of got to move fast because the only heat is going to be the pasta. And then, of course, a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then just a half a cup of heavy cream. Then get yourself a good metal spoon, and you want to just keep stirring this. And again, you kind of got to work fast because the only heat source we got is the hot noodles. But as long as you're quick about it, should be more than enough heat to incorporate everything. Now, if this sauce is a little too thick for your liking, you can always add some of that pasta water. But for whatever reason, I was in the mood for just a super, super thick sauce. So, then yeah, we'll be ready to serve it. So, again, just stir it while it's still hot. And again, if you want to thin out the sauce, add some pasta water. And then just add some to a serving bowl. And that's it. We're done. Like I said, it's a really quick dish, great for weeknights when you don't have a lot of time. Like I said, if you want a thinner sauce, add some of that pasta water, but I wanted just a super thick sauce. I was just in the mood for that. So, top with whatever you like. I topped mine with a little bit of pepper. And that's it. Garlic parm spaghetti. Done.